95% of what we thought we knew about comets just collapsed. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its gaze on 3I-ATLAS, astronomers expected to confirm old models: dust, ice, chaos, the same story as every comet before. Instead, what Webb saw overturned everything. ATLAS doesn't glow like a comet, doesn't behave like a comet, and doesn't even look like a comet. It behaves like something else entirely. The control room went silent when the first images appeared. Normally, comet tails scatter in every direction, blown apart by solar radiation. But ATLAS revealed a tail that didn't scatter. It sharpened into a razor-thin line, disappearing at times, then returning, as though someone had flicked a switch. Rocks and ice don't take orders. Yet ATLAS acts like it's obeying commands. This cycle repeats every 17 hours. Rocks don't do that. Webb's data revealed a disturbing pattern. The brightness of ATLAS pulses on a regular cycle every 17 hours. It isn't random noise, it isn't a glitch, it's a rhythm. And rhythms in space raise the most dangerous question of all: who or what is keeping time? What I'm about to reveal was never meant for the public. In the official summary, NASA called ATLAS a comet with unique dust behavior. That's the safe explanation, but the detailed files, those not posted online, describe anomalies that sound less like dust and more like technology. Reflections too sharp, energy levels too steady, light scattering in geometric patterns. None of this belongs in the language of comets. Hidden in plain sight, the truth looks terrifying. Some astronomers noticed that ATLAS's reflections resemble solar panels angled to maximize light. They don't dare say it officially, but the comparison is spreading, because comets shouldn't mimic machines. Yet Webb's images almost forced the thought. The data sent chills down my spine. A researcher who saw the raw graphs admitted that for the first time in his career, he felt afraid. Not because ATLAS is dangerous, but because it looks too perfect. Nature makes chaos. Humans, and perhaps others, make order. The images released aren't the full story. Side-by-side comparisons show differences between Webb's first captures and the public images NASA eventually posted. Something has been cropped, something smoothed, and yet even in the filtered versions, ATLAS doesn't fit. Its glow is sharp, its symmetry unsettling, its tail too deliberate to ignore. 7 observatories saw the same impossible thing. To rule out error, astronomers worldwide pointed their telescopes at ATLAS. Chile, Hawaii, Spain, even Antarctica. Every instrument saw the same repeating brightness cycle, the same sudden shifts. It's not a glitch in Webb, it's in the object itself. The silence of ATLAS is louder than any signal. If it were a natural body, it should emit dust, gas, and radiation. Instead, it's quiet. Too quiet. Like a machine built to travel invisibly, betraying only the faintest trace of its presence. The lack of noise isn't proof of safety, it's proof of design. Pay attention, this part is easy to miss. Calculations suggest that ATLAS's tail appears not when it nears the Sun, but when it aligns with Earth. The implication is chilling, the effect is directional. Comets don't aim their tails, but signals do. The absence of evidence might be the loudest evidence of all. Skeptics argue it's coincidence, but the pattern is too clean. ATLAS pulses when pointed at us, then falls silent. No gas model explains it. No dust simulation matches it. What's left when every natural explanation fails? What they found deep in the files changes everything. A leaked internal note from the Webb team mentions unresolved coherent scattering. In plain language, it means the light bouncing off ATLAS isn't diffused like dust. It's bouncing as if from flat, ordered surfaces. Random rocks don't have flat surfaces large enough to do this, but ships, satellites, and panels do. No one in the room dared to speak. The first time the team noticed the pattern, they froze. If it's real, it means ATLAS isn't just drifting through the solar system. It's broadcasting, or signaling, or doing something with intent. The idea was too heavy to voice aloud, but every face in the room said the same thing. This doesn't look natural. Stay with me, because what comes next matters most. Trajectory analysis shows ATLAS isn't wandering blindly. Its course bends subtly as if adjusted. Not enough to scream maneuver, but enough to suggest something guiding it. Interstellar objects shouldn't care where they go. Atlas looks like it does. Nature shouldn't do this unless it isn't nature. If Atlas is just a comet, it's the strangest one ever seen. If it's not, then we're watching technology older and larger than anything we can imagine. Both answers shake science to its core. Don't blink or you'll lose the meaning. Webb will keep its eyes on Atlas in the coming months, but what we've already learned is enough. This isn't what we thought. It may not be what we want it to be, and it may force us to face a truth humanity has never been ready to confront. The mistake turned out to be the discovery. Atlas was first dismissed as just another rock. That dismissal was the mistake, because looking closer revealed the impossible. And now the impossible is staring right back at us,